Good day, everyone. We are the Group 5, and our topic is about strategic management and basic consideration in starting a business. So, unsa ang estratehiya? That is the first question. The second is, what is strategic management? The third is, what are the strategic management process? And the last is, what are the basic considerations to start a business? So what is strategy? Strategy is a tactical course of action which is designed to achieve long-term objectives. It is an art and science of planning and marshalling resources for their most efficient and effective use in changing environment. So strategy is a general plan to achieve one or more long-term or overall goals under conditions of uncertainty. So a strategy of a business enterprise consists of what management decides about the future directions and scope of the business. It entails managerial choice among alternative action programs, competitive moves, and different business approach to achieve enterprise objectives. Strategy, once formulated, has long-term implications. It is framed by top management in an organization. In short, it may be called as game plan of management. So, ang strategy, mao ni mag-analysis ug unsay current state sa imong business, unsay imong future state sa imong business goal, determining goals and objectives, and implementation and evaluation. So, the present day news is filled with examples of changing organizational strategies like mergers, strategic alliances, and downsizing, spin-offs of global expansion. This chapter examines the strategic management process as it relates to the planning function. So managers must carefully consider their organization's internal and external environments as they develop strategic plans. They should have a systematic means of analyzing the environment, assessing their organization's strengths and weaknesses, identifying the opportunities that would give the organization a competitive advantage, and incorporating these findings into their planning. The value of thinking strategically has an important impact on organization performance. So what is strategic management? Strategic management is what managers do to develop the organization's strategies. Strategic management involves all four of the basic management functions such as planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. So, managers is the one who manage a team of employees in an organization. So, as we know, managers get the work done from the employees and make sure the decorum of the organization is maintained. So, as we know po nga, ang managers must build a bridge between the employees and the top level management aron mahaksay ug lami ang dagan sa atong business. So, a managerial role involves the responsibility and supervision. So, ang managers or the management, nana sila yung mga general functions like maoy mo planning, mag-organize, they the one who staff, they lead, and they control. So, strategic management has an important for organizations as it has a significant impact on how well an organization performs. In today's business world, organizations of all types and sizes must manage constantly changing situations. Today's companies are composed of diverse division, units, functions, and work activities that must be coordinated. Strategic management is involved in many of the decisions that managers make. So, unsa ang mga strategic management process? The strategic management process is a six-step process. This includes the following: identifying the organization's current mission, objectives, and strategies, external analysis, internal analysis, formulating strategies, implementing strategies, and evaluating the result. First is the identifying the organization's current mission, objectives, and strategies. So every organization needs a mission, which is a statement of the purpose of an organization. So anhi na ug maghimo kag business dapat kay baw ka unsay purpose nga nung imo ning gibalik dya. So the mission statement addresses the question, what is the organization's reason for being in business? The organization must identify its current objectives and strategies as well. So the second is the external analysis. In external analysis, dalhin na makita ang external environment, such as the competent of yours, the pending legislations, ug ang imong mga trabahante. So after analyzing the external environment, managers must assess what they have learned in terms of opportunities and threats. Opportunities are the positive trends in external environment factors. So while threats are the negative one. So because of different resources and capabilities, the same external environment can present opportunities to one organization and pose threats to another. The third one is the internal analysis. Internal analysis should lead to a clear assessment of the organization's resources and capabilities. Any activities the organization does well or any unique resources that is called strengths. Weaknesses are activities the organization does not do well or resources it needs but does not possess. So sa organization, na major value is creating the skills and capabilities that determine its competitive weapons are the organization's core competencies. In organizational culture, it is an important in internal analyzing, and the company's culture can promote or hinder its strategic actions. So, moto ang SWOT analysis, moto it is analysis of organizations that has a strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, inig human sa internal analysis, mudung ta sa fourth, which is the formulating strategies. So, inig human sa SWOT analysis, anhi na dapit ma-develop o ma-evaluate ang mga strategic alternatives and select strategies that are appropriate. Strategies need to be established for corporate business and functional levels. The fifth one is the implementing strategies. So, anhi nga process darhin na makita mga activities within a workplace or organization designed to manage the activities associated with the delivery of strategic plan. So, the last one is evaluating the result. So, anhi nga last process dali na makita put ang mga result if ever successful ba imong business or it is a failure. Evaluating results to know how strategies have been and if any adjustment are necessary.
According to Porter, managers must choose a strategy that will give their organization a competitive advantage. Porter identifies three generic competitive strategies, which strategy managers select depends on the organization's strengths and core competencies and the particular weaknesses of the competitors. So matud pa ni Porter, kinahanglang piliun sa manager ang estratehiya nga maghatag sa ilang organisasyon og competitive advantage. Gipailan niya ang tulo ka mga generic nga estratehiya sa kompetisyon nga gipili sa mga managers sa estratehiya nga nagdepende sa kusog sa organisasyon o kinahuyukan sa mga kahanas o mga partikular nga kahuyang sa mga kompetensya. So, base sa pag-analisar sa ibabaw, adunay tulo ka mga matang sa generic nga mga estratehiya nga magamit sa mga organisasyon nga mapilian. So, mao di ay ni sila. So, ang una, a cost leadership strategy. So, this means is a business or competitive strategy in which the organization competes on the basis of their having the lowest cost in its industry. So, pasabot ni ini, usa kini sa mga produkto o serbisyo nga adunay madawat nga kalidad o mga bahin sa usa ka halapan nga hugpong sa mga customer nga mubo nga presyo. So, example, ang Walmart usa ka pananglitan nga mga nagpasiugda sa pagpugom sa gasto. Nakaangkon sila og competitive advantage pinaagi sa pagbaligya sa brand name nga mga butang sa mubo nga mga presyo. So kini sa usa pagpanganglitan sa pagkontrol sa gasto nga nagpakita kanamto kung unsaon pag-minus sa mga gasto o pagkabut sa mga mubo nga mga gasto sa operasyon and pagpakunhod sa gasto sa outsourcing ug bisan pagtabang sa mga supplier nga pagkahunuran sa mga gasto. So, Walmart is an example that emphasizes cost containment. They have gained a competitive advantage by selling brand name items on low prices. They are example of cost control, showing us how to minimize expensive, achieve low operational cost, reduce outsourcing cost, and even help suppliers reduce cost. So, mana ang a cost leadership strategy. Second, we have a differentiation strategy. So, it is a business or competitive strategy in which a company offers unique products that are widely valued by customer. So, this means, nagtugot sa usa ka kumpanya nga sa nagkakompetensya sa mga merkado sa usa ka butang gawas sa mga ubos nga presyo. So, pananglitan, ang usa ka kumpanya sa candy mahimong magkalain-lain ang ilang candy pinaagi sa pagpauswag sa kalami or sa ingredients o paggamit sa labi ka himsog nga sangkap ingredients. It allows a company to compete in the market with something other than the lowest prices. For example, a candy company can differentiate their candy by improving a flavor or using healthier ingredients. So that is a differentiation strategy. Third, a focus strategy. It is a business or competitive strategy in which a company pursues a cost or differentiation advantage in a narrow industry segment. So this means, usa ka estratehiya sa negosyo kompetisyon diin ang kumpanya nagtingwa sa usa ka gasto o paglain-lain nga bentahan sa usa ka bahin sa industriya sa pana. So its example, ang example ani is a Pepsi. So, and that is the three generic strategy nga magamit sa mga organisasyon nga mapilian. So first, we have the cost leadership strategy. Second, a differentiation strategy. Third, a focus strategy. So next, an organization that has not been able to develop either a low cost or a differentiation competitive advantage is said to be stuck in the middle. So, ang usa ka organisasyon nga wala makahimo sa pagpalambo sa bisan usa ka mubo nga mga gasto pagkanlain nga bentahan, giingon nga nagtunggo or nagpabiling sa tunga. So, next. Functional strategy. These are strategies used by an organization, various functional departments to support the business or a competitive strategy. So this means usa kini sa mga estratehiya nga nagamit sa mga organisasyon sa mga various functional departments sa pag-support sa mga business or competitive strategy. So, new directions in organizational strategies. First, we have the e-business strategies. So, using the internet, companies have created knowledge bases that employees can tap into anytime, anywhere. E-business as a strategy can be used to develop a sustainable competitive advantage. It can also be used to establish a basis for differentiation or focus. So, this means, gamit ang usa ka internet, ang mga kumpanya, nag-create sila para ang mga employees makatap into anytime and anywhere. And this e-business as a strategy, magamit sa pagdevelop sa mga sustain sa mga competitive advantage. O kanisad makagamit po ni or it can be used to establish a basis for differentiation or focus. Second, we have a customer service strategies. So these strategies give customer that what they want communicate effectively with them and provide employees with customer service training. So this means kani nga estratehiya naghatag sa mga customers nga kung unsay ilang gusto nga i-communicate effectively with them. O kani po nag-provide sa mga employees with the good customer service training. So third, we have the innovation strategies. These strategies focus on a breakthrough and including the application of existing technology to the uses or user. So this means kani nga strategy nag-focus sa breakthrough products and nagkani siya nag-include sa mga application sa nag-stay sa mga bag-o nga teknolohiya para sa mga new user.